Sound check 1 2 3. It seems to be okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to another class of pronunciation in use level intermediate unit 18. Today we're taking a look at this lesson, Sun Full June. So I will start by writing 3 words on the board because they might be similar but they are actually different. So the first word I'll write is this word. Okay, the next word I want to write is this word. And the next word is this word. I'm writing these words because today's lesson is going to be about these words, these vowel sounds. I'm good, thank you. I hope you're all good too. So today's lesson is going to be all about these 3 vowel sounds. The first one, listen to me, fond. The second one, fool. The third one, full. Again, fond, fool, full. So listen again, fond, fool, and full. So this is the pronunciation here. Basically the first one should not be a problem because it's like a little ah sound that you can actually make in Farsi. We kind of have it in Farsi. So the first one shouldn't be a problem, I guess. Fond, 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 fond. But what's important, or maybe a little harder, is this one and this one. They are actually pretty similar. When you want to say them, you have to round your lips and move your lips a little forward. Okay. So, but the first one is longer. It is a long oo sound. The second one is a short oo sound. It is exactly the same the way you do it, but you just make it shorter and it finishes early. So fond, the easy one, fool, the long one, and again I will make the same sound but shorter. Full, full. So it finishes in half a second, but fool maybe 2 seconds. So again, fond, fool, and full. Now we will go into more details and look at more sounds. Look at more pictures actually. This picture is for the ah sound, the easy one that I told you. Look at the mouth. Your lips and jaws are relaxed. Your tongue goes down a little and you just say sound, like shut or much or top or fund, the ah sound. So it should not be really hard for you, but I will play the CD for you so you can check your pronunciation too. This is CD 184, so let me play that. Oops, I clicked on 83 mistakenly.
A83, A84, A. A84, B. Shoot. A84, A. A84, B. Shoot, shut, shirt. Match, much, march. Look, luck, lock.
So Hi, sweet, welcome. Hi, Rahime, and everyone else in the. I think some people joined, Lale and other people. It's great to have you here. So, today's lesson, as I was telling you, we're working on the A sound now. Shut, much, luck. Now, you might be wondering, why are they different? I mean, why is luck different from lock? Like these two that you see here, why are they different? Luck and lock. Well, you can find that in the dictionary. If I search the word for you, L-O-C-K, this is like this sound. I mean, you can see that here. That, let me zoom out a little. So, you can see this sound, lock. It's a little longer. Lock. I don't know if you can see that. Look at the A sound there, lock. But the word that we focused on was this word in the middle, L-U-C-K. L-U-C-K is now different. L-U-C-K. So this is the short A sound, luck, luck. So that's why they are different, because some of you might have that question. So this one is shorter, luck, luck, but the previous one was lock, lock. Anyway, that's not what we're discussing here. We are going to focus on the next two ones more. I mean, this should be probably okay for you. We should practice on these two more. Fool and full. So let's also look at some more examples here. Listen.
A84C. Come. Blood. Cut. Young. Does. Must.
So all of them, they have the little A sound. Come, blood, cut, young, does, and must. And here there's a little tongue twister that you can see. So you can take a look at that as well. My mother's brothers, my uncle's sons, my cousin. Listen to that.
My mother's brother's my uncle's son's my cousin.
Yes. Let me see. I think there is a question. I think it's Bahar says we have another sound too. Ooh, like book, good, cook, foot, right? Actually, they are here, Bahar. They are all here. I mean, cook is here, book is here, good is here. All of them are here. There is no more. Sometimes they are this one, the short one, like good, cook, book. Sometimes they are the long one, like fool. This is like 2 seconds long. Pool. These are the oo sound. Or food. Yeah? Long sound and the short one. Pool, food, fool. But then on the right, we have full, cook, book, good. Cool, yeah. So now we can go to the next sound, which is the short sound of oo. You can also compare it with the other one. When you are saying this, your jaw moves upward, your lips move forward, and your lips are rounded. This is the long oo, like food. However, when you're saying the short one, your lips are rounded a little. Your lips move forward a little. Your jaw moves upward a little. So it is exactly the same thing, but just you should do it less. Yes, just do it a little, not a lot. For example, instead of saying food with your lips so much forward and in the round shape, just finish it earlier and say good. Good. You just finish earlier. Now let's listen to some of them. So on the top you see the oo sound like this, like good. And then at the bottom of the page you see the long oo, which is this sound, like food. Listen.
A84A.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
A85A.
Uh. Uh. Uh.
A85B.
Luck. Look. Luke. Pool. Pull. Paul.
A85C. Full. Good. Foot. Wolf. Wood. Put. That cook couldn't cook if he didn't look at a cookbook.
So here you have a lot of short oo sound, like that cook couldn't cook if he didn't look at the cookbook. So all of them are the short oo sound. That cook, you should try saying it after me if you can. Thank you. Somebody said what a great lesson. So that cook couldn't cook if he didn't look at a cookbook. A lot of short oo sound. Now let's go to the long one, like fool, rude.
A86A.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
A86B. Full. Fool. Fall. Road. Rude. Rod. Butt. Boot. Boat.
Somebody says, is it different in different accents? Maybe, but the main thing is the same. The main thing is the same. Maybe in some special cases, but the basic thing is actually the same. It's not different. Okay, look at some more words.
A86C.
Shoe. Shoes. Shoot. New. Lose. Soup.
So one thing to the answer LUSUWHW asked. Here it says yes, in some accents, especially British, don't. Many words which have the ye before oo. This says, for example, British say news, but Americans say news. British say tune. Americans say tune. This is very common. Let me write the example here so you can see it better. There is no space. Let me zoom. Okay. For example, this word and this word. In American. In American, you hear news. Again, it's the long oo sound, news. But in British, you hear news. Again, it's the long oo sound. You just have the ye sound added. So, this is American and this is British. So let me read again. American, news. British, news. But again, both of them long oo. News, news. Alright. The next part is about Unit 19. We'll look at it later. Let's go to the exercises. I want you to tell me what sound do we have here. The first one is the ah sound that I talked to you about, like it's studied. The second one is the oo sound, like school. So listen to this, to the student, and write the underlined words under the right column. So let me number them. Number 1, number 2. So you can chat and I can check your answers.
A87.
I studied English at a school in London last summer.
So it says I studied English at a school. Studied, number 1, school, number 2. Okay? In London. What is London? I mean, should I put it in column 1 or in column 2? What do you think? I studied English at a school in London. London. London should go to number summary yellow. Yes, London is yellow because it's the number 1. London.
I was there for 2 months.
And what about summer? Yes, summer is again yellow. Good, good. Sweet, Lus, Rahime, Mahmoudi, Lale, Angel. Good. I was there for 2 months. What about these 2 months? Listen again.
I was there for 2 months.
I was there for 2 months. So what do you say? 2 months. So we have to put these words. We have to put these words in the right column. Yes, 2 is 2 actually. Yes, 2 is 2. 2 months. But months again is 2 months. So listen again.
I studied English at a school in London last summer. I was there for 2 months, May and June.
May and June. So where does June go? 1 or 2? Yes, June goes to number 2, of course. The oo sound. June. The month.
Months, May and June. England is famous for bad food and weather, but I thought the food was good.
So, England is famous for bad food. Really? England is famous for bad food. Food goes to number 2. But it's interesting, yes, because they didn't write food here. They didn't underline good here. Because good goes to number 3. If I add a number 3 here, you can see that good goes to number 3 actually. That's why they didn't underline good, because good goes to number 3. It's not long oo, it is a short oo. Good, good. So we can do that too. Yes.
The pub lunches were very nice. Food was good. The pub lunches were very nice. But it's true about the weather. Too much rain for me.
Okay, so the pub launches, they're the same, yes? What number? Pub and lunches. Hi Nargis, welcome. Food is 2, yes, good. Good Lale. Mahmoudi says 1, yes. Pub is number 1. Lunch is number 1. What about true? But it's true. True is number 2, of course, because the true. And too much, I think 2, we already said that, so we should focus on much. Much. Much is number 1, yes. 2 is 2, much is 1. Exactly, so this was the answer. I'll read it myself one time, so please listen. I studied English at school in London last summer. I was there for 2 months, May and June. England is famous for bad food and weather, but I thought the food was Good. The pub lunches were very nice, but it's true about the weather. Too much rain for me. So yes. Good. Thank you. Some people are making some nice comments about the lesson. I'm happy you liked the lesson. Let's go to exercise 2. Complete these sentences with the words from the box. Where is the box? The box is here. And you should complete it in the blanks with the box. The vowel sound is given to you. Example, 2 things you can on a foot are a shoe and a boot. Interesting. So here we used this one. Boot and put. So 2 things you can put on a foot are a shoe and a boot. Oh, that's a good one. You can practice your oo sound. 2 things you can put on a foot are a shoe and a boot. So you have both of them. This lesson is 1 hour long, or maybe less, 45 minutes. So let's go to number 1. What are your answers for number 1? You have to think about the meaning too. You should choose a word with this vowel. This vowel is here. If you remember, I told you this vowel. This vowel. This vowel. And this vowel. Number 1 is June. The June after is July. June is good actually for the second one. You can write June here because of the oo sound. But exactly, Lale, good. Month. Good. Mahmoudi, Nargis, Angel, good. So here you should write month. The month after June is July. And I have to cross them out. There is month and June. Okay, let's go to number 2. What do you think? My mother's other is my So what's that? I hope it's taking, the microphone is picking my voice okay. I think it's okay. Good night. See you later. Son, brother, let me check it. My mother's other. Yes, that makes sense. Good, Lola. My mother's other son is my brother. Exactly. I can't write with a mouse, but I have to write. So, my mother's other son is my brother. Both of them are son, brother. Son, brother. Good. Good, Rahime. Good, Angel. Good, Mr. Masood. Hi, thank you. Hi, Rosita, welcome. So, number 4. Brazil, the world in 2002. What do you say? What do you say? 1 cup. Lola says 1 cup. Do you agree with her? Level up your English says 1 cup. Mahmoudi says 1 cup. Well, Mr. Masood, 1 cup. You're right. 1 cup, exactly. So here I should write 1. So this is number 3. And cup, it is number 3 again, the second one. So let's go to number 4. This one we did it. Number 4, fruit is for you. So what do you say? Good Rosita, good Angel, good Mahmoudi. Mahmoudi says juice good. Well, I agree with you. And Bahar Lala, juice good. Yeah, juice good. Fruit juice is good for you. Yes. Number 5. There is a once a month. What is it? Yes, good. Gerardo, I think you are. Angel, Rosita, good. Oh, I think you are Bahore. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry. Full moon. English level up says full moon. There's a full moon once a month. Good. Yes. Bahore and Rosita, and level up your English. Good. There's a full moon once a month. And the last one, we should use would and would. So let's see what we should do. You pronounce exactly the same as Actually, you can actually use the first one or the second one. It doesn't matter. You can write would here and would here because the pronunciations are the same. Or you can actually change the place, no problem. You can change the place too. Yes, because you pronounce would like wood. Both of them are short oo sound. Would. Okay, let's go to exercise number 3. Circle the word with a different sound. You can use a dictionary if you are not sure, because some of them can be really tricky. So let's start. Number 1, foot, look, push. All of them are short oo sound. Push, look, and foot. And this one is a sound. Blood. It's the a sounds. That's totally different, of course. That's totally different. So blood is different. Because we want to move faster, please, some of you answer number 1, some of you answer number 2, because it might take a lot of time. Book is correct. Very good. Book is correct. Because book is the short oo sound. But the other ones, my God, the other ones are the long oo sound. All of them are long. Room, boot, and soon. Just book is short. My God. Just book is short. So the answer is book. Soon, boot, room, book. The next one is rude, because all of them are but, run, luck, rude. Number 3, Shoes does true blue. Of course it does. Yeah, good. Number 4. Pull, fool, put, rule. This one is a little hard. Be careful with number 4. This is number 2, rude. Okay. Angel number 2, rude. Mahmoudi does. Good. Angel number 1, book. What about number 4? What do you think? I'm going to pronounce them one more time. Pull, fool, put, rule. If you're not sure, you should check a dictionary, because I've already done that. I mean, I have checked the dictionary a lot of time, as many times as the number of the hair on my head. So I know them, but you should check the dictionary if you're not sure. Pull, fool, put, rule. Exactly, that's rule, because rule is long. It's the long oo sound. Number 5, what do you think? Group, could, would, should. Full, no, Mahmoudi, because full, as I told you, it's the short oo sound. Full. Full, F-U-L-L. And all of them are short. Full, put, pull. Just rule is long. It's the long oo sound. What do you think about number 5? Group, could, would, should. Exactly, it's group. That's the long oo sound. The other ones are the same, short. Could, would, should. Alright, that's a good practice. Number 6. Done, move, love, sun. Oh, this one can be hard too. What do you think? No, it's not hard. I thought it was hard, but it's not hard. Number 6. Move. Yes, good Bahara. Number 6 is move. Done, love, sun, and move. Suddenly you have the oo sound. Number 7. South, yawn, couple, one. Which one? South, yawn, couple, one. Good Lale, move. Rosita, Rahime. Yes, good. Angel, good. What about number 7? South, yawn, couple, one. Good. Mahmoudi, yes. Merat, yes. South, because it's ow, south. But the other ones are yawn, couple, one. Good, Angel and Rosita. The next part, listen and tell me, what do you hear? Cat or cat? Cat or cat? What do you hear? Come or calm? This one is hard, really. I think even I can't recognize that. Gone or gone? Again, this one can be tough. Shoes or shows? This is easy. Pool or pull? Maybe we can do something about it. Luck or look? That's easy. Shirt or shut? That's easy. Gun or again? That's easy. So some of them are tricky, especially number 2, number 3, number 5. These are really hard. You have to pay attention. Let's listen.
A88. A89. 1.
Cut or cat.
There's a cat on the arm of the sofa.
So you can type A or B. A means the first one, B means the second one. What did you hear? A or B? Listen again.
1.
Cut or cat.
There's a cat on the arm of the sofa.
Hi Hadis, welcome. So there's a cat or there's a cat, A or B?
Or cat.
There's a cat on the arm of the sofa.
Good Lala, there's a cat. Not cat, there's a cat. Let's go to the second one.
2.
Come or calm.
You should try to calm down.
Come or calm.
You see, the first one is short, come, come, come. The second one is long, calm, calm. So which one?
2. Come or calm.
You should try to calm down.
Yeah, cat, no, cat. There's a cat. Okay, number 2, come or calm. Good, Mahmoudi, you should try to calm down. It was long.
Come or calm.
Come or calm. Yes, Bahar, cat. Angel, no, Angel. Come, no, it is long. Calm. Listen again.
Of the sofa.
2. Come or calm.
You should try to calm down.
Calm down. It's long, so it's C-A-L-M.
3. Gun or gone.
Again, the first one is short. Gone. The second one is long. Gone.
3. Gun or gone.
He's taken his dog and gun.
Gone.
He's taken his dog and gun.
Gun or gone.
He's taken his dog and gun.
Hi, Sina, welcome. Oh, Sina is my high school friend. Idea Link joined, welcome. He's taken his dog and gun. Is the meaning okay, Mahmoudi? He's taken his dog and gone. G-O-N-E. Are you sure about the meaning? I think it should be gone because the meaning makes more sense with A. Take your gun, take your dog. Take your gun, take your dog. And it's not long, it's short. Gun, gun.
3. Gun or gone.
He's taken his dog and gun.
Gun, 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 gun. I think A is better. Yes, we will check it then. Number 4, shoes or shows.
4. Shoes or shows.
I've never seen her shows on TV.
4. Shoes or shows.
I've never seen her shows on TV.
So A or B? Have you shows? Yes, exactly, shows. Have you seen his shows on TV?
Shoes or shows.
I've never seen her shows on TV.
5. Pull or pull.
It said pool on the door.
5. Pull or pull.
It said pool on the door.
5. Pull or pull.
It said pool on the door.
It said pool on the door. A or B? Shows good Bahar, good Mahmoudi, good Z, underline ZK. Kuravand, I think. Pool, yes, it's long. Because it said pool on the door, you can hear that long oo sound.
5. Pull or pull.
It said pool on the door.
6. Luck or look.
It's just her luck.
6. Luck or look.
It's just her luck.
6. Luck or look.
It's just her luck.
Look or luck, which one?
Oh,
6. Luck or look.
it's just her luck.
Oh my god, they're so similar. I don't know what to choose. Whatever you say. Luck, okay, so I'll say luck. But we will check it later.
7. Shirt or shut.
Because you know the short oo sounds a little like ah too. Look or luck. look, luck. Okay, shirt or shut?
Just her luck.
7. Shirt or shut?
The hairdresser's shut. The hairdresser's shut.
Hi teacher, welcome. Hi teacher Hakeem. Great to see you here. You want to listen again to number 7? Maybe you didn't understand it.
Or shut?
The hairdresser's shut.
Good teacher Hakeem and Alef and Mahmoudi and Rahime. Exactly, it's shut. An angel. Shut.
8. A gun or again?
A gun or again? A gun or again?
Shirt or shut?
The hairdresser's shut.
8. A gun or again?
He shot a gun.
Shirt or shut?
The hairdresser's shut.
8. A gun or again?
He shot a gun.
Shut.
Hairdresser's shut.
8. A gun or again?
He shot a gun.
Good. He shot a gun. It's a short "a". He shot a gun. Okay. So now I want to check our answers because the last one was tricky. We are prone to mistakes. We have to check it. I hope we did okay. Pray for us. Pray for us. That was 18. Let's see how well we did. I hope we got it all right. But even if we hadn't, that's okay. We have to make mistakes to learn, right? Isn't it the thing? 18. So these are our answers. Let's check them. Cat is true. Calm is true. Number 3 is gone. True. Number 4 shows. This was easy. Pool. True. Luck. True. This one you said. You helped me. Good. Shot. True. And gone. True. Good job, everyone. That was nice. Today's lesson was important, and we just talked about 3 vowel sounds. And I hope you liked the lesson. If there's any question, you can ask.